morning, CMS. Today is Friday, October 16th, 2020. We're going to stand for the pledge. All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everybody, today's menu for Friday. Breakfast for lunch is choice A. I love breakfast for lunch. I honestly love breakfast for dinner and breakfast for breakfast. So what I loved about this is the fact you get a cheese omelet with cinnamon roll, hash brown rounds, fresh broccoli with ranch dressing, blushing pears, or fresh fruit. For choice B, sausage pizza. We then move on to Monday's menu. That's next week. Monday's menu. Choice A is Salisbury steak with a roll, mashed potatoes with brown gravy, broccoli salad, blushing pears, and fresh fruit. Choice B, meat lovers pizza. Now for breakfast for Monday, we've got a benefit breakfast bar with apple and milk. Now, we have a special announcement that we're going to be doing. There's a video. Now, keep in mind, this Friday, today, we have a playoff football game for the high school. It's one of the first times, I think, in my memory that we've actually hosted a playoff game at Cloverleaf. Now, unfortunately, not many people can go to this because of COVID, but we still want to recognize the Cloverleaf High School football team for their accomplishments and wish them good luck against the team they're playing against. Here's a quick video. All right, hope you enjoyed that video, and good luck, boys. And now we move on to shout-outs. That's right, we don't have any announcements for October because it's over. Today was the last day to bring in socks. All right, and I know that the winner is going to be announced soon, so hopefully you brought in those socks. On top of that, as far as the beards for bicycles, I think we know all about that, but we are still going to make an announcement later on for next week. Now, with that being said, we move on to, we can't make that. You know, I just thought about it. That's October 18th. That's this Sunday. Beards for Bicycles is October 18th. That's like 2 days from now. That's Sunday. Awesome. So this Sunday's Beards for Bicycle giveaway. Pretty sweet. All right. With that being said, we've got shout-outs going. Now, the 6th grade shout-out goes to Alex Lamp on the Yeti team for being very responsible in asking for clarification and assistance in class. Way to be productive, Alex. That was from the Yeti team. Congratulations, Alex Lamp. Now we move on to the 7th grade shout out. The 7th grade shout out goes to Ava Brentlinger on the hashtag Clover Squad for using good manners. Congratulations, Ava. That was from the Clover Squad. Now we move on to the 8th grade shout out. The stars are really making my head turn a little bit. It's really hard to read, actually. All right, all of the 8th grade students still struggling. This is really hard for some reason. All of 8th grade students, thank you from the Gunkelman family for your cards this past week. You guys are awesome and really brightened our day. That goes to all 8th grade students. Congratulations. That's the shout out. Now we move on to the staff shout out. The staff shout out goes to the kitchen staff because you've been flexible, adapted to the whole new way of doing lunch. I have to admit, they've done a fantastic job in adapting and being flexible during this time. Now, we have the quote of the day. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Show your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. All right, with that being said, Cloverleaf, happy Friday. Enjoy the day and enjoy the weekend. Be safe, be smart, make good decisions, and be blessed, Cloverleaf.